Welcome to the British Council Learning Hub. We're here to get you started and show you where to get help if you need it. Step 1. The Learning Hub works best with the most recent version of Google Chrome. Activities work best on a laptop, PC, or Mac. But don't worry if your child uses a tablet or a phone. They'll still be able to complete the activities. It's just that the experience is better on a larger screen.
Step 2. You will receive a Welcome to the Learning Hub email inviting you to set up your child's account. Click on the button or link to create a password. Oh, and keep this email safe. You may need to refer to it again in the future. Step 3. You will be taken to this page where we will ask you to create a password. Choose something memorable to you and your child using a mix of upper and lowercase letters. Enter the new password twice and press Submit. Step 4. Now let's log on. At the bottom of your Welcome to the Learning Hub email, you will find the web address for your child's Learning Hub, your child's username. Step 5. Click on the web address. This will take you to your child's Learning Hub for either Primary Plus or Secondary Plus, whichever course your child is registered on. Now enter your child's username and the password you have created.
Now you're logged on, your child can access their course modules. Excellent work! Don't worry if you forget your password. We all do.
Just click Lost Password on the homepage and follow the instructions on screen. So this is where you will need to use your child's username. Copy it from your Welcome to the Learning Hub email. Paste it in the box on the Lost Password page. Follow the security check and reset your password.
If you have any problems on the Learning Hub, we have a special team of people to help you. Do not worry.
And what's more, you can write to them in your own language. They will understand.
Simply hit the Help button. By the way, it's better to use the Help button rather than calling or emailing us. Choose what you're having a problem with, then type your email address, the one you used to register for the course. Add a brief description of what's wrong.
Don't forget, you can write to us in your own language. Our team will respond in less than 1 minute via email. They will reply in English, so we recommend using Google Translate to translate the text if you prefer to read in your own language.
So, check your email. We will have sent instructions to solve the problem. If you still need help, reply to the email and our support team will give you more help. It's best to join the live classes using a laptop, PC or Mac. The live classes will be listed here.
If your child is joining a live class, it's a good idea to follow this checklist. Ensure your child is in a quiet place with no distractions. Log on to the Learning Hub a few minutes in advance. Check your internet connection. Check your tech. We recommend that you search for Zoom test and follow the instructions on screen.
When it's time, simply click Join, and your child will enter a waiting room. The teacher will check the identity of your child using their first name and the first letter of their last name. Once the checks are complete, the teacher will start the live class. Remember, if you have problems with this, click the Help button and follow the steps we just covered. To help you log on to the Learning Hub easily, it's a good idea to bookmark the British Council Learning Hub website. You do it like this. Click the star on the address bar, then click Save.
Child protection is so important to us. To keep everyone safe and to ensure that everyone feels valued and comfortable, we have some golden rules that we ask all students to follow. Find them in our Code of Conduct section. If your child forgets their password just before class and you are not available to reset it, a member of staff at the teaching centre will be able to help. For this reason, we recommend that your child has the British Council Teaching Centre phone number to hand, just in case.
And that's it. You're all set to go.
Watch our other videos to find out what your child will be doing on the Learning Hub.
Bye!